your tomatoes are crying, leaves drooping, growth stalling, and fruits looking like they skipped breakfast. But what if I told you there's a secret potion that can transform your tomato plants from weak to wow? Welcome to MKIRIKACHA TV, and today, we're unlocking the secret weapon every tomato plant dreams of. Compost tea, the hidden booster that's 100% natural, totally affordable, and deadly effective against poor growth, pests, and weak harvests. Compost tea isn't some wizard's brew, it's real, it's alive, and it's bursting with beneficial microbes. These little superheroes dive straight into your soil, helping your tomatoes grow faster, stronger, and more disease-resistant than ever before. Think of it as giving your tomatoes a probiotic smoothie on steroids. Ready to brew your tomato-boosting tea? Here's what you'll need: compost, water, a bucket, and if you want to go pro, an aquarium pump. No shortcuts here. Quality compost and clean water are the difference between tomato heaven and tomato horror. Timing is everything. Apply during transplanting, early growth, or when your plant needs a boost. Pour it on the soil, spray it on the leaves, or soak the roots. Just don't sip it yourself. We know it looks like iced tea. Once a week during the growing season is all it takes to make your plants do the happy dance. Still skeptical? Let's roll the receipts. Here's what compost tea did to our tomatoes. Greener leaves, beefier fruits, and a harvest so big, your neighbors will ask if you've gone GMO. I used to think it was a myth. Now my tomatoes look like they hit the gym. Best harvest I've ever had, and I didn't even use fertilizers. Time to take action. Gather your compost, grab a bucket, and give your tomatoes the love they deserve. No chemicals, no expensive products, just pure garden magic in a bucket. If you're ready to supercharge your tomatoes, hit that like button, sprinkle some wisdom in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more epic garden hacks. Only here on MKIRIKACHA TV.